Alright guys, this is a 1950 Chevy pickup truck that I did. I tried to do it as close to the box art, a little bit different, try to put my own spin on it. Really enjoyed this kit. Actually got it off of Amazon. It went together really nice, held paint really good. Turned out to be a really cool kit. Enjoyed the build. You guys just take a look at the pictures. I'm still new to modeling. I'm pretty much a newbie, so I did have a little bit of issues getting the frame and the seats and everything lined up perfectly. There's a little gap there, some minor paint issues and stuff, but overall it was very fun. Like, comment, and share, guys, if you like these quick model builds. If you have any questions or comments, put them in and maybe I can answer them on the next video. This is Mitch Mitchum TV. Hope you guys enjoy.